Hello, today we're gonna look at the budget gaming headsets from MSI GH30. Let's check what will be inside, what we can get. And yeah, there's a light box. Feels a bit that there's nothing inside, but I hope there will be. So, oh, that's off already. Oh, cool. Okay, here is some. That's it. Oh, dragons, like always. Oh, it feels quite light. The plastic. I think it feels quite good in the hands. So here you can adjust for your head with both sides. But interesting. Here's the microphone. Oh, here is could be a port for microphone. Okay, let's take it off this little thing. Okay. So what we have here, oh, here's the button, or better, it's like a switch. You can mute the microphone. Here you can adjust the volume for headphones. And here is jack for headphones and the microphone also. So okay, it's not bad, but let's check where is the mic. Here's the bag. This looks empty. Okay, what's here? It's a manual. If you want, you can read it by yourself. Not for me. Oh, here's the adapter where you can separate the microphone from the headsets. It's really cool. Because my computer, these jacks are separated and I need it. Cool. So what else we have here? Oh, here's the microphone. Not bad. And you just plug it here. Oh, it's strong. It's not coming out easily. Okay. You can also adjust this one a little bit. Not bad. Okay. Okay, what else we have here? Oh, we have some kind of bag. Also with a dragon. Okay, you can put it there, the headset, if you want. Okay. I just took a quick sound test for this MSI headset. Honestly, it was quite okay. I could say it's like between average and a good, for my opinion, and it's very good what you can get for this kind of money. But there is one problem. The seals around the ears, these downside, was a bit loose on my head. I tried it to adjust, but I didn't manage to get the full potential. I hope you liked my video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and see you next time.